The Fab Fit Fun Summer box has arrived. And Anne has something she's never got before. Yes, I have water bottles. However, this is my very first official, actual Stanley cup, Stanley mug. Excited for this one. This was 40 ounces. She shall be well hydrated. Yes, I will. That was a $45 item, and the next item that Anne chose was a $58 item. It is from the company Sahira. I hope I'm saying that right. A fun bracelet. Oh, that does look fun. I wonder if it will fit me. Hey, wait a minute. This one's for me. You're not gonna share? All right, I'll share. I liked the looks of this. Not only will it be fun for summer, there's enough different colors and shades on here. This could really be a year-round bracelet. It seems to hit all of the seasons with its colors. And it does have a bit of an extender, so you can make it, this is as big as she's gonna get, but you can tighten it up if you need to. Initially, Anne picked $39 voles, but that really wasn't what she wanted from that category. But at the time, it was all that was available. But I went back the next day just out of curiosity, and sure enough, the item that I wanted for that category was there. So I swapped out, I took out the bowls, and I put in the Kapari body spray. Kana Poly Coast with sweet coconut mist and vanilla. She has the pink one. Now she has the blue-green one. This smells really nice and almost could possibly be a dupe for Sol de Janeiro number 39. And this is a $29 item in case we forgot to mention it. In category number 4, Anne picked a leave-in conditioner. This will eventually show up in one of our hair detangler battles. This has a very nice, sweet, fruity scent. So I'm excited to finish up what I'm using so I can give this one a try. This is Mirage Mist, and I'm looking to see, yes, 5 ounces. 5 ounces for this, and how much is it? $30. That's a price tag. In customization number 5, she picked something from Ahava. I've had this before. I don't know if the video of the face mask with this in it has gone up yet or not. I can't remember. Forgetful in my old age. Anyway, let's just say it was good enough that I took the opportunity to get more of it in a subscription box. This is the Ahava 24 karat gold mud mask, anti-wrinkles. This is 1.7 fluid ounces, and the price tag is $79. I wanted to get this then with the box to help save a little in the pocketbook. It's good. It's good. And then for customization number 6, I picked the shade buff for, should we say, cover-ups for the girls, because sometimes it's easier to use cover-ups for the girls instead of proper undergarments, as my mother would have called it. These have a price tag of $34.50. which is a little on the pricey side. Supposedly these things are supposed to provide a little extra lift for the girls. And then we got a treat. Oh, I like a treat. This is pure organic twisted fruit bites made with real fruit puree and juices. I got the taste or the scent of raspberry and blueberry. Oh, we will have to let you know how these are. All things considered, this was a very good box. Yes, I am just tickled pink, as pink as that Stanley mug. The overall suggested retail price for my box was $275.50. That's a darn good price. Yes, I'm an annual member, so my box is $65 a quarter. So even, I'm trying to look here, that beaded bracelet almost covered the price for the box. If you're an annual member, you pay your $260 annual fee all up front. So you have to go with what your budget will allow. Seasonal members are $80 per quarter. You get to customize all 6 items, both annual and seasonal. The perk for annual is we get to go first in the customization lineup. And also in the shop that they have, because they have a shop with some fun things in there. I'm tickled with this. What did you see that you liked from Anne's box? Did you get anything that's the same as Anne? Let me know, because I'm an inquiring cow. Okay, I know the cow, but hey, you know. Thanks for watching today. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, all that fun stuff. And we do hope to see you again in another video, because we have lots of fun stuff going on over here. Everyone, have a great day. Hope to see you soon.